Today we will be doing the English letters and their sounds. English has 26 letters. Among them, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. We'll first start with the capital alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. In the table given below, read the missing alphabets. A, E, I, O, U. Read one more time. A, E, I, O, U. In the table given below, read the missing consonants. B, D, G, J, M, N, Q, Y, Z. Now we'll do the sounds. Let's start. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, Y, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, V, X, Y, Z, S. Let's do the sounds one more time. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, A, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, V, X, Y, Z. Vowels: A, E, A. Consonants: B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Y, Z. In the table given below, let's read the missing vowels. A, O, In the table given below, let's read the missing consonants. Sounds. B, k, n, p, q, s, v, z. Hoşça kal. Goodbye.